Welcome to a video from thedigitalLifestyle.com. A new Windows 10 build to look at. This is build 20262. So Windows Insiders on the dev channel, and this is another FE release build, or from the FE release branch, which means, so this is testing the core stuff, no user interface changes. So we've still got the old emoji picker, the old on-screen keyboard, and got any of the new features that we've been seeing recently. So there's not a huge amount to show you in this build. I'm looking forward to getting back onto the release builds, the pre-release builds, and then we can start testing new features again. There are some fixes with this. As you see here, I've highlighted some of them. The certain apps has got unexpected transparent with no content displayed. I haven't seen that one. And there's some sleep studies, and the scroll bar was not working, and some notifications were black at first sight. I haven't seen any of these issues actually. DW crashing, I haven't seen that. The storage sense, I have seen a couple of issues with that as well. So that is actually a thing that I think should be fixed now. So let me have a look at that. So there you go, there's storage sense, and that's working fine on there. So there's still plenty of known issues. The one about the install hanging for an extended period of time, I haven't seen that at all. Never seen that. So I think it's been on there for ages, but I haven't seen that. Some issues with the pinning of sites, some issues with the signing into various apps. I've not seen that either. I've seen this one. When you go to manage your disk and storage, it just it crashes. So let's have a quick look at that. Okay, so that's what happens when you run it with this build. You just get the blank screen. So this is a feature they introduced fairly recently, actually. You could manage your volumes on here, but that doesn't work at the moment. But as the notes say, you can use the old disk management tool from here. So that's it, really. That's all the changes, really. Very limited amount of changes. I said more under the hood stuff again, and it's because we're on this FE release, this iron release branch rather than the pre-release one. So hopefully we'll get back to pre-release soon, and we'll get some interesting new features to test, and I'll bring them and show you on our YouTube channel when they come. Thanks for watching this video.